Get my hair not done.
Yes, it is.
Hold on, I gotta get a character. Hold on, let me get a character.
Come on.
Hi, this is Angel from Tea Time.
I'm not. See, that's why you cut out. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl RIJIAHB. I am performing today. First time performing original music. You didn't have to push me out the way like that.
I didn't know I pushed you, Morgan. My bad, bro.
I'm performing original music today. I'm anxious. I'm nervous. Y'all gonna get to see my performance. I try to do my makeup. My eyebrows look a fool. I tried. And yeah, I'm nervous.
Very good.
I'm scared. Thank you. I'm nervous. So yeah, I'm singing with some other artists, and y'all just stay tuned.
Anthony.
Get
my
a
hair not
character.
done.
Yes, it is.
Hold on, I gotta get a character. Hold on, let me get a character.
Come on.
Hi, this is Angel from Tea Time.
I'm not. See, that's why you cut out.
I left the bitch in the chat. I had to move a little bit. I can't be saying when I'm back. I don't tell losses and shit. I had to get it right back. I had to give me some money. I let her play with them racks. I had to boost a little bitch. I left the bitch in the chat. I had to move a little bit. I can't be saying when I'm back. I don't tell losses and shit. I had to get.
Okay, y'all know black folks late. And the people just got out of church. So we're gonna start with Marijiah. For Marijiah, people can see her perform. Okay, yeah. And then we'll just start the show later. Okay.
And then I go again.
And then she gonna go again. But we just want her people
I'm just gonna do it for
perform.
my parents.
Okay. Y'all give it up for Marijiah.
Thank you. Y'all know this song, so y'all gonna play with me. Okay, this next one is an original. This one is called Selfish.
Okay. Selfish.
Can you turn this down a little bit? Just the mic. Can I be selfish? Selfish, 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 selfish. Can I just be selfish? Selfish with my time. Can I just be selfish? Unselfish. Like my lesson for sure that you people will take advantage of your time. It's not fair because my time is mine. I wanna spend it how I want and when I want and where I want. Don't you know this? Can I just be worried about me? I don't wanna listen. I just need a break to escape from me. Can I just be worried about me? I don't wanna listen. Yeah. 'Cause what's understood don't have to be explained. Some people will learn how to appreciate you by losing you. It is so true. A simple thank you could go a long way, but I guess I can't tell them what to say. So many people demanding of me, and people always need me. And when I need someone, no one is there for me to check on me and just see if I'm doing okay. Just be, The next one is a mashup that I came up with. So these are all old songs, so y'all know them too when they start. I got a lot of breaks in between, so I can catch my breath. Do you need me? However do you want it? However do you need me? However do you want me? Ooh, yeah. I've been doing my own thing. Love is always had a way of having bad timing. Tell me if you want me to. I'll let you decide. I wanna make it good for you. Take it back. Keep on moving. Don't stop like the hands of time. Tick tock, find your own way to stay. Your time will come one day. Don't make me over. Don't make me over. Don't make me over. Don't make me over. Y'all know this one. Real love. I'm searching for real love. Someone to set my heart free. Real love. I'm searching for a real love. That was a mashup I did. This next one is another original. This is my last one. Ain't nobody heard this, so. Okay, I'm ready. It's just a little break. We can just ride and vibe, chill, get high. We can just ride, vibe, until the sun takes over the night. We can just ride, vibe, chill, get high. We can just ride, vibe, until the sun takes over the night. Tonight, boy, the night is young, and so are we. We can just ride until the night takes the lead. It's whatever you wanna do, whatever's cool with me. Cool with me. Cool with me. We can keep this shallow or go to the deep. No pressure on you if we're playing for keeps. I don't want this night to end. Morning sets us free. Free. We can just ride and vibe, chill, get high. We can just ride, vibe, until the sun takes over the night. We can just ride, vibe, chill, get high. We can just ride, vibe, until the sun takes over the night. Hey, hey, hey. That's all, y'all.
Thank you. Give it up for Marijiah. Y'all we're gonna start the show over again. Like I said, black folks, it's late. We just want Marijiah to go first real quick so her people can see her. Give it up for her people one time. When I first met Marijiah, y'all, she was the very first time I met her. She was singing background. I was like, girl, why in the stuff? Why in the stuff is you singing background?
You don't gotta hold back because they hear.
I'm like, I couldn't.
Yes, I don't care.
Why in the fuck is you singing background? Bitch, you should be singing in the front. So y'all give it up for her. Okay, so this next song, y'all know, only person in here probably know is Punkin and Marijiah. Y'all know I like Anita Baker.
Yeah, go ahead.
At least one Anita Baker song before the night starts. Is that okay with y'all?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, come on, put my Anita Baker on.
Yeah, boo. Come on.
I'm for the lip thing. Oh, I ain't got my wig on.
Come on. He's stupid. He's so stupid. You know.
Let's go. Hey, hey, look, I tell her look at my, hey, let's have your way with it. Say legs on ready for it, go. Hey, hey, look, I tell her look at my, look, tell me what's your way. A little bit of drink and a little bit of tricks. A little bit of you and a little bit of me. I got good dick on you, want some? Want some? Look, till I got good dick on you, want some? Want some? But never mind that. Riding down through Glass Street. Fantasize about a great night. I'm drunk, driving while texting. Trying to see what you taste like. Swimming in it like a great white. Tell me, baby, can you take bike? You ride me like you ride, girl. I swear I gotta walk me twice. Back to your backside. Penetrate when you say it, and I'm holding on my left hand. Start right one so I can play with it. Shooting up, trying to lay in it. Waking up to my demons, girl. I'm touching you to your button up so I can lick it off with my fingers, singing. Hey, hey, look, hey, look. I tell her look at my, hey, let's have your way with it.
And work with each other, man, and really make some shit
That's
happen,
true.
dog.
Yeah, for
Let's
real.
get it, man. I've been running to the riches, I don't fold with bitches. Get your bitch from the bag, pulling on the inches. I'm going in his prime, nigga, Scotty Pippen. I like looking at finesse and coming out the trenches. I'm a real money junkie, porn steady inches. Four rocks the 90s, baby, coming out the trenches. Trying to teach my bitch the game, but the hoes don't listen. I ain't never touched the bowl, Granny has the kitchen. DNA slime with Tay-Tay smoking hill and KK. In the hood making plays every day and payday. Bitch and beat, Charlie dance, move by the way. I don't want to fuck with you, I just want the face. Who the fool shooting at you? Hey, you doing the nay. Blind to the bullshit, I can't see it, Ray. In Miami on some rapping shit, feel like a vacay. In the city with the team, we just like to play.
I'm playing basketball, but I like to bottle.
Since got me going I'ma get it back tomorrow. I'm like a rocket, got me feeling like a model. Little nigga got the 9 tucked up in the cargo. Real niggas ain't dead, screaming free Rollo. Niggas say they want the beef, but you can lose your taco. I'm the quarterback, bitch, call me Joe Flacco. Yeah, whole lot of church shit going on, goddamn. Whole lot of shit, yeah. I'm a kid in the Honda dropping SUVs. Whole lot of chalk shit, Chuck and be the ring. Do this for the dead and gone, rest in peace and peace. I been gone on the road, doing so ski. Really getting to the money, why these niggas sleeping? Young nigga living life, I ain't got a priest man. Pull up, they do the back and then the nigga leave. Yeah, I'm the ticket, do the race, young nigga speed.
Amen.
Welcome to open mic. Make sure you give them your undivided attention. This what happens when you start too goddamn early. So the first person we got coming up is Songbird Valkyrie. Y'all give a round of applause for Songbird Val. Y'all give a round of applause for Songbird Val. She got to come up here and do her thing. Everybody that comes up here, make sure y'all respect them. I don't give a fuck if you don't like them or not. Respect them, because getting in front of y'all black motherfuckers, y'all know y'all motherfuckers judgmental. So it's gotta be a lot of nerve to come up here and sing and rap in front of y'all.
Yes.
Alright, so once again, y'all give it up for Songbird Val.
Woo!
Thank you. I'm gonna bring some old school. Hope you enjoy this.
There we go. Get on, baby.
Places in my life and time.
Okay.
I sung a lot of songs and I made some bad rhymes. Acting out my life on stages.
That's a church song. Before you singing church music.
Don't you?
Y'all go, man. I'm finna fuck y'all up, man.
Yeah. Y'all already know what's going on. Take sleep this motherfucker. Ha. Yeah. And we pull up on these bitch ass, do the dash in it, ho. Let's go back to see what Cody about to crash in it, ho. Pop a perkin', pop a bean, I'm about to spaz in it, ho. Pop a perkin', pop a bean, I'm about to spaz in it, ho. Pull up on your bitch ass, do the dash in it, ho. Malcolm X with Cody about to crash in it, ho. Pop a perkin', pop a bean, I'm about to spaz in it, ho. Pop a perkin', pop a bean, I'm about to spaz in it, ho. Look at the best part, you know, go hard up, fuck with your daughter, I stay with the car. Now I'm gonna shoot shit up. I like the boy.
My name is Kay Versatile. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. You know what I'm saying? And I came down here to just to perform for y'all. I hope y'all like the song. It's called Oh Yeah. When I say oh yeah, I want y'all to say oh yeah, and then I'm gonna say oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay?
Alright.
Alright. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. DJ drop the beat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Long time ago, long time ago, my name was Astro. I used to make people walk around, singing, dancing, working.
All the time she get attention when she pop it. Try to pick it up and drop it, cause the beat don't want to stop it. The way she move it, give her everything in my wallet. Shoes, keys, and my wallet, fuck a drink, a bottle. The only time she get attention when she pop it. Try to pick it up and drop it, cause the